Good morning, Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a video tour this morning of this beautiful 2019 Bighorn 3870 front bath. This is an amazing full-timers unit or extended stay unit for you folks that are on the road about half time of the year. Beautiful unit, 4 seasons, well built, well equipped, nice fiberglass front cap. The front generator compartment there, that is large enough to put a 5,500 watt generator in it, propane generator obviously. Coming around to the side, guys, we've got a beautiful long extended electric awning with LED lighting as that drop light. Outdoor speakers, you've got hookups out here for a television, 110 and your satellite or cable feed, whichever you prefer. So if you want to hang out here and watch a game or NASCAR or whatever you're into. And additionally, they give you another 110 power outlet for any additional items you might want to run out here. As you'll notice, there's a front heater vent in this compartment, so it is heated for your wintertime use. 6-point leveling system, a large capacity water heater, nice aluminum wheels, aluminum step, 4-step, so you'll notice it's really easy to get in and out of here. That step comes down nice, large grab handle. As we enter into the coach, you'll see there's a sticker here for a Dyson cordless vacuum system. Coming around to the back side of the coach, you've got a nice large couch, USB ports on both sides, 110 power. This does make into a king size bed. We've got 2 theater seats here. This is all Thomas Paine furniture with residential warranties on the furniture. Heated seats, massage, lit with LED lights. So it really nice, complements the coach. You can see the beautiful ceiling in this coach, all hardwood accents, nice large television, home theater system. That's a Jensen home theater system. It's not a standard RV application. Nice fireplace. You can see there's lots of cabinetry in this coach, drawers. We've got the extra large oven and large capacity output range top, nice countertop, stainless steel double bowl sink, large double bowl sink so you can fit large pots in there, easily fill with that residential style faucet. Large capacity 4-door refrigerator, pantry. What's really cool about this is you've got an extra bathroom down here. Not only do you have the extra bathroom with the sink, but you've got lots of room for towels, toiletry items. There's actually a medicine cabinet there. So if you have folks over to visit you, or you're just hanging out down here, it really makes it convenient to have that extra bathroom. Coming on up into the bedroom area, we've got a nice large residential style mattress, USB ports on both sides of the bed. You've got shelves on both sides of the bed for books, glasses, phones, etc. Nice television is already incorporated into the coach with a huge dresser and nightstand setup. This is fabulous, again, for full-timers or extended stay. We've got a 1-piece molded shower with a porcelain toilet, large capacity setup for a washer dryer, so you can go with a stack or a 1-piece, whatever you prefer. And you'll notice it doesn't take room out of your closet area, which is really nice. Typically you lose a lot of closet area when you have this setup, but you don't in this unit. As you can see, you still have a large capacity anyway, we have a large closet, lots of area with the shoe racks in the closet, lots of area here in the bathroom area, big counter space. I mean, you just don't find this typically in RVs. You don't find that large medicine cabinet like you do in a home. This is set up much like a residential bathroom would be in your home. You're going to notice on your shades you have MCD shades, both day and night shades. Those are MCD, made here in America. We've got a full fiberglass cap. We've got a decked roof, so it's a walk-on roof with a ladder. Moving to this side, You've got your electric controllers, and you've also, this has got a power cord reel on it, so you don't have to fight that 50 amp cord when it's cold and wet and freezing outside. In this compartment, we've got the water bottle fill that's designed to fill fresh water into a 5-gallon bottle, all filtered through the filtration system. Coming back to the front, our docking station, everything of course is all in one spot. It's already set up with the water heater bypass for the winter, easily winterizable. You've got your black tank flush there, your outdoor shower. Everything is all in one spot. Again, 6-point leveling system, sewer hose holder. This coach is fabulous. Set up for solar, so if you want to do a solar panel, it's very easy to add a portable solar panel or solar up on the roof. If you have any questions on this coach or any other coach, please feel free to contact me directly at Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com or 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.